Neither birds nor bats, pterosaurs were reptiles, close cousins of dinosaurs who evolved on a separate branch of the reptile family tree. They were also the first animals after insects to evolve powered flight, not just leaping or gliding but flapping their wings to generate lift and travel through the air. They evolved into dozens of species. Some were as large as an F-16 fighter jet, and others as small as a paper aeroplane. Aside from their relative sizes, the pterosaurs of the Jurassic and Cretaceous periods differed from one another in two important ways: feeding habits and ornamentation. Generally, paleontologists can infer a pterosaur's diet from the size and shape of its jaws, and by looking at behaviour in modern birds such as pelicans and seagulls. Pterosaurs with sharp narrow beaks most likely fed on fish. The key trait that distinguished pterosaurs from land-bound feathered dinosaurs that evolved into birds was the nature of their wings, which consisted of wide flaps of skin connected to an extended finger on each hand. Although these flat, broad structures provided plenty of lift, they may have been better suited to passive gliding than powered flapping flight, as evidenced by the dominance of true prehistoric birds by the end of the Cretaceous period. Kongamatos are large pterosaur-like cryptids living in semi-tropical regions of Africa, particularly in Zimbabwe, the Congo and Angola. It resembles a typical flying monster. Its name means breaker of boats or overturned boats, as the Kongamatos are said to have capsized the canoes of natives, and attack people who venture too close to the nearby rivers. It's described as a reddish lizard with membrane wings and teeth on its beak. Its wingspan ranges from 4 to 50 feet across. When shown a picture of a pterosaur, natives said that this is the picture of the Kongamato. The accounts told of these creatures are similar to the ones that describe the road pen of Papua New Guinea, as well as several other creatures. There are several historic reports of European explorers being attacked by a large winged creature, and quite often people were reported to have received wounds from the Kongamatos. It's thought to eat mostly fish and other small animals. It's interesting to note that a good portion of modern Kongamato sightings happen in a prime birdwatching site, and yet birdwatchers never report anything, indicating that Kongamato may in fact be a case of mistaken identity. One of the earliest reports of the creature is from traveller Frank Melland. It's depicted in his 1932 book In Witchbound Africa. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.